Click on the icon at the top right of the homepage to enter the settings. The first item is Network Settings. You can choose to connect to a wired network, Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth. The second item is Personalized Settings. Wallpapers can be set, floating ball, long press with 5 fingers to turn off the screen, customize gestures, etc. The third item is Input and Output. The microphone can be adjusted, cameras, signal sources, etc. The fourth item is System Settings. The language and date can be set, region, system update, etc. The fifth item is Security Settings. You can set lock screen password, device lock, etc. The fifth item is about the basic information of the machine. Click on the channel in the bottom right corner of the homepage to switch signal sources. Users who have selected dual systems can switch to the Windows Computer System by clicking the Windows icon at the lower left corner of the homepage. Click on both sides to bring up the sidebar. The first one at top is Back. The second one is Home. The third one is Taskbar. Customized conference training tool in the middle. There are also downloaded apps available. Below is the adjustment of volume and brightness. The first item at the very bottom is to adjust the screen sound parameters. The second item is to shut down, turn off the screen and restart. The last is switch the signal source.